Hey guys, my wife wants me to make these Christmas trees, but without the nails. And we all know what wife wants, wife will get. And don't pretend it's not like that. Of course it is. But is it possible without the nails? My name is Eric and I'll show you how to do it.
Alright, let's start the gluing. The bottom piece right here will do at the very end. The first parts we'll glue together are the bottom sides right here. To do this we need a flat surface and 2 clamps. I've made a small line right here so I know how much overlap I need. It's 29 mil and 1/8 of an inch.
I've got a few clamps and some glue. So all we need now is just a bit of glue. You don't want too much on there. Should be fine. Press them together. Make sure that they're pushed down on the plain surface. Take your clamp. And there you go. We'll leave that to dry and do the next one. Done. We'll move this out of the way and use this one for the next stage. Now this is a very simple jig, but it works. I put the long piece on the right hand side and I've got a stop right here as well, so it doesn't move. Then I take the smaller piece and slide it up against, and then I need to clamp it this way. The edges right here are not really suitable for clamps, so I've made a small piece that can fit here and here, and then I've got a nice flat surface for the clamp. So all we need now is just some glue. Oh, and I just want to mention that I've got some tape in the bottom here, because the first one I made I glued to the jig. Not really great, but this happens. Slide it up against, push them together. Here we go, it's all done. Ready. And the 2 sides are also done. We'll do a quick sand before we move on to the next step. Will be the base. We're going to glue these together. And I made a simple jig for that as well. Just drop this one on the right side, this one on the left. It's got all the right angles. And drop the base right here. And then we just need to glue and put these clamps on like this. And again, add some tape to the jig so you don't glue the tree to the jig. The glue is all dry. And we should be able to take this off without any problems. Here we go. Again, we'll use a flat surface for the final assembly. We'll use some clamps and some glue. Of course, we'll glue the bottom part on at the same time. Now this part isn't visible, so you could use nails for this, but we will do these just with glue. Here we go. And we're all done. Let's just hope the wife approves.